Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am going to be planning the week of August 20th in my B6. I am using my Jesenia's printables inserts week on 3 pages or 4 pages, whatever you want to call it. It's been a few weeks since I've planned in here, but we just got home from vacation like yesterday. I have this kit from Wild Summer Design called More Summer, which is how I'm feeling because this week is so crazy busy. I haven't unpacked everything yet. My office is a hot mess, but I absolutely just need to get organized for the week because otherwise I'm not going to make it through. I already did use some of these ombre heart checklists in another spread. I'm one of the weekly ombres, but that's fine. Anyway, I had this for my Erin Cadron, so I have the full kit and then some, but I just kind of ran out of summertime, so I'm going to use this in my B6. This is that add-on page, and I'm going to jump in. Yeah, so I'm going to attempt to do this as a talk through. I'm just grabbing the bottom washing out. Basically, we just got home yesterday on Sunday, and it's Monday. My nanny's here and my son is napping, and I feel like a crazy person after coming home from 6 weeks of vacation, and it is 1 week until back to school, and by back I mean my daughter is starting preschool, and it is 3 weeks until I go back to work. Last night my kids slept in each other's opposite rooms because oh no, that's really bad. That was not great. Okay, anyway, so I'm not exactly sure what I was saying because that sticker situation distracted me, but basically last night my kids slept in each other's rooms because when we left, my daughter was still sleeping in a crib and my son was sleeping in this little bassinet thing next to our bed. He's too big for the bassinet now. My daughter is sleeping in a regular bed. So basically, oh, that's not even what I wanted to do. You know what? It's too late. I'm just going with it. I'm gonna do Happy Mail at the top and I will put a full box at the bottom. So we need to get the house in order. We need to get her stuff that she needs for back to school, which it's not a lot or anything, but make sure her lunchbox, her backpack, her net mat, all that kind of stuff is ready. And we never finished the nursery, so get that organized so that they can go back and sleep in their right rooms. I'm gonna do 2 habit trackers. I honestly don't even know how realistic it is to do them, but I'm just gonna do it, and we'll see. But yeah, basically I feel like a crazy person. So what do I do when I have feel like I have no time to do anything? Oh, I just decided to take a few minutes to film, whatever. No, I just really wanted this insert. I just really feel like I need all of the listing in the back this week, and I'm actually thinking about changing inserts for September because I'm going to be using my hourly for work. So I just wanted to do this, and I figured why not just get it on film, and the talk throughs are pretty easy to edit and whatever. Anyway, I just feel I'm gonna take one of these from the week and just kind of layer that there. I'm not really sure what that'll be for. Probably word of the week and just be organized. But anyway, so yeah, so I feel pretty chaotic. I do have the glitter headers, so I think I'm gonna lay them at top. Oh, I love this dark green. I didn't think I would, but I do. All right. So, so then on top of that, like I said, I have 3 weeks left before I have to go back to work, and I'm trying to figure stuff out with work, and then our nanny is going back to college. She was at community college and now she's going back to school that's far away, which is, I'm really, really super happy for her. But now I need to find a new nanny. My daughter is starting preschool, but it's not enough hours. We need someone still part-time. So anyway, so just a lot of chaos. And so I was just feeling I really needed to get organized. Oh, this one has these little checklists. Okay, so I'm gonna do some big checklists and some little checklists. Okay, so I'm gonna do big checklists on the days that she is working this week, because she is coming 3 days this week, sort of a last hurrah before she leaves for school. And then and then she, hopefully we can find someone quickly. I actually have a couple of leads, just generally, but anyway, I do have like a couple weeks before it's urgent, but it's hard to get stuff done around the house when you have to watch both your kids. And so, like, obviously mad respect to people who do this without any support from other people. You know, it is a lot to get done. All right. But anyway, so that is just like why I'm in this crazy headspace, but I was just feeling like this is going to be such a chaotic video, but I was just really feeling like I needed to get like all my stuff organized. So I was going to use this planner, and then I was like, well, if I'm using this, I might as well just film it. I'm going to do this a little bit more as I go style and not like fill it out for the whole week, just so that I have like space for stuff that comes up, because I know that it will. Anyway, so today I need to call the bug people because we got home to a bit of a bug situation. And on Friday, our cleaning people are coming. On Tuesday, I have like a call with some work folks about my schedule coming back. Yeah, on Friday, I have like this massage membership thing that I need to like figure out if I'm canceling or not, because I like, if you cancel it, one expires in your account, and it's like a whole thing. Anyway, then okay, then I'm gonna put down another header. I don't really even know if I need this, but whatever. Yeah, I'm just like feeling super chaotic right now, so I think this video is going to be a hot mess, but like I just need to get it on paper so that I can like start doing this and just checking things off the list. There's like, it just feels the week, I mean, coming back from vacation, but also like coming back to like back to school and other stuff is pretty chaotic. Okay, so my nanny is working 3 days this week. She is working today, right this very second, and tomorrow afternoon, and then on Thursday. Okay, this kit is so huge. I'm gonna like be able to do a whole other spread with this still. Anyway, okay, so then on Friday there's like a huge event at the school, which my daughter's new school. It's like a meet the teachers and a party thing. That should be really fun. And Wednesday there is story time at the library, so we'll probably do that. We haven't been in forever, obviously. Today, after I do this and after my son wakes up from his nap, I need to take a massive run to Target. We need lots of things. Plus I'm doing my planning and just getting organized. That's too big. Whatever, I'm just using all stuff from the kit this week. That's why I had this handy on my desk, because I haven't cleaned up yet, so. Okay, so I'm gonna use one for eating. We're just back from vacation and I need it. And then whatever, I'm gonna use this clock for like doing something organizational every day. I should have done that opposite, but there's no going back this week. Okay, and then tomorrow's big activity is I'm hoping that I can clean out the baby's room. Like, there's just like a bunch of crap in there. So hopefully I'll be able to do that tomorrow. And then on Thursday, when the nanny is back, hopefully I'll be able to like clean up my office, organize my stickers, and film the massive haul. I'll just use a camera icon for that. That Thursday night, there's an event at the school, not for kids, just for parents. And I'm not sure if we're going to be able to go to that because it's at like a really inconvenient time. But my husband might just go by himself because I can't really take the baby somewhere at like 6 p.m. That's not gonna work for him. So anyway, I'm just gonna pop a drop of washi in there because there's not a lot of, that's like an awkward space. Okay, so that's everything I know so far for the week. On the weekend, I did realize though, actually, oh wait, I just realized that I'm on the wrong week. I used the wrong week, so I will do the date covers. So I'm just gonna fast forward through that. Ooh, that was a mess, and these date covers don't like fit perfectly. I really didn't. I mean, I love these date covers, but I wasn't gonna use them. Anyway, this is a mess. But that's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this like pretty empty to fill out for during the week, but I'll post like a completed spread on my Instagram, assuming it doesn't turn to chicken scratch, which I probably will post anyways, even if it does. Okay, so that's all I know for during the week. Wow, this is gonna be a crazy week. Okay. Gonna grab a full box for up here, and then gonna grab a glitter header. Why not? Okay, we need a next week. I feel like the next few weeks are just gonna be like hustle, hustle, hustle until we get like back in the flow of things. 6 weeks is just like a long time to be gone. I mean, we had the most amazing time. I still have like 1 week of memory spreads to plan for that. But yeah, I mean, it's just like, I feel like you need an extra. Well, I mean, I have 3 weeks before I go back to work, but it somehow doesn't feel like enough time to get everything organized. I am sure though by the end of this week I will feel better and okay. It just like was like a lot. Plus I'm like still operating on like almost no sleep because we had to leave for the airport at 4 a.m. and then which is always a good time with little kids. And then we also had and then everybody slept super poorly last night, shuffling bed situation, all the whole thing. So we're like coffee fuels my life right now. Okay, so on Saturday, we're hoping to do the big room makeover for my daughter. I already have her bed because our crib converts, and so we just need to like assemble it and everything, and I'm going to get the bedding at Target today, so that will be that. Okay, so we have a car situation as well. That's mostly my husband's responsibility to deal with because I cannot do all the things myself, but I'm just gonna put in a thing for that on Thursday. So I don't know if that's actually gonna be on Thursday, but I need to like remind him to deal with that. It's for both of our cars. Yeah, they're like both inspections are due. His is actually expired, mine is due. And then this will be for reminders for him. And then my car needs service. I'm just gonna use the gold stickers. It's really for like priorities, but that's okay. I just like having stickers here. I don't know why. But yeah, anyway, oh, that fits perfectly. Okay, there's no deco, so I'm gonna use these decorative flags on this side, and then I am gonna call this. But yeah, basically, crazy week. Feeling a little in shambles. Need to get this filled out so that I can like feel like a little bit like at least I know what's going on. But anyway, so I know this has a lot of more blank space than I've been doing, but I think that's what I just need this week. So here is my this page. There's no deco in this kit. And here is my this page. And I am gonna turn off the camera and fill this out, and then I will be right back. Okay, that is everything all filled out. Basically this week I just need to get like the organizing organized. I mean, today I need to get the organizing organized, and then the rest of the week I will do it. So a lot of listing going on today and a Target run that is like emergency status. Anyway, I have some clippies on here as well. I do think this looks like really cute and simplistic. This is like totally what I need this week to just like get it done. So I will try and post like completed spreads and stuff on Instagram. I do have my Fur and You bookmark on here, a K&Co XOXO dangle clip, and then a Blush Bow Boutique bow, and a peach palm, and then as well this from the Simply Gilded box. So I did already start doing my listing. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with this spread and all my other spreads. Bye!